Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver. Today I want to talk to those of you who are self-employed or small business owners because the sixth and final round of the California COVID relief grants for small businesses is going to be opening up on April 28th. Now, if you previously applied and did not receive the grant, it was not awarded to you, you received an email stating that you were waitlisted, you don't need to do anything. Your name will be resubmitted automatically for the sixth and final round. But if you have not yet applied, make sure that you are ready on April 28th to go to the website, which I'm linking in the video description, where you can apply for the small business grant. Now, my own personal application went on through to round 5. I was waitlisted for several of the rounds. I did not receive the grant, but yesterday I received an email from the Lendistry team letting me know that my application has been advanced and they're going to be verifying my documents. So it is not too late. There is one additional round, and no, the grant applications are not processed in the order in which they're received. So applying on the 28th doesn't mean that you are put on the bottom of the pile, because the grant website does state that they review the applications and award the grants based on who has suffered the greatest loss in their business. Now, if you want more information about who is eligible, what you can receive, and exactly how to apply, click the link in the video description down below to a prior video where I walk you through all of that information. I just wanted to issue you guys a quick update so that you are aware that starting on April 28th, it will be your final chance to apply, unless, of course, more funding is allocated for these grants. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.